Hey everyone! It's so good to see you again. I am Miss Ross, and today we are going to learn something new. We are going to be learning about special vowel sounds. Before we get started, make sure you have something to write with and something to write on. So when we write our words, you will be ready. Let's take a look at our objective for today. Will you read this with me? Let's start with the word I. I can use the special vowel sounds AU and AW to read and write words. I am successful when I can write, mark, and read words, write a sentence, read a transfer card. Those are the things that we will be doing today. Before we get started on the special vowel sounds, I want to review something that you should have already learned about. This was lesson 25, called special vowel combinations. In a special vowel combination, we have consonants that follow a vowel, and it can change the sound of the vowel. Here is my transfer card for special vowel combinations. Let's read the word section together. We will start with the word ball. Ready, begin. Ball, bell, troll, bull, bill. Sang, song, sung, sing. Bank, honk, trunk, sink. These are the special vowel combinations. I am going to go through the sounds at the top. Will you say it after me? Ready? All, L, ol, ul, ill. Ang, ong, ung, ing. Ank, onk, unk, ink. I bet you are really good at special vowel combinations. We have been practicing them for a while now. Today we are going to learn about the special vowel sounds. Those ones were called the special vowel combinations, but these are called the special vowel sounds. There are 5 special vowel sounds. How many special vowel sounds are there? 5. Can you show me with your fingers? 5. Say this with me. 5 special vowel sounds. 5 special vowel sounds. Well, today we're not going to learn all 5, but in the next few videos I will teach you about all 5 special vowel sounds. Today we are just going to be learning about the first circle of special vowel sounds, AU and AW. On this slide, it shows that a special vowel sound has the same sound but different spellings. AU and AW both have the same sound but different spellings. That is why this one is spelled this way and the AW is spelled this way. But you can see inside my slash marks, the sound is the same. AW and AU make the special vowel sound ah. Can you say that with me? Ah. Repeat these words after me. Sauce, awesome. We can see and hear that sauce has the special vowel sound AU, and the word awesome has the special vowel sound AW. But they both said ah. Let's look at some more words. Proving these words will really help us understand how to mark words with special vowel sounds. Let's prove this word together. I can see my vowel A and my vowel U. This looks like it follows phonetic skill 5, where the U will be silent and the A will be long. If I mark this word in this way, it sounds like the word pal, but this word does not say pal. That is why knowing about special vowel combinations is so important. I will take away these markings and let's start again. When I see an A, U next to each other, I know that that is a special vowel sound. I will mark that with an X between the two letters and an arc underneath them. That's important. The X tells us that they're both vowels, but the arc tells us that they stay together. That is the special vowel sound A, U, and the sound is ah. Now, what is my word? I hope you said Paul. Paul was going to the store to get some apples. Let's look at that marking one more time. The special vowel sound AU is marked with an X in the middle and arced together. Let's mark this word together. I can see the special vowel sound of AU, so I will mark it with an X. Then I will arc it together. My word is haunt. Can you say that with me? Haunt. The friendly ghost did not know how to haunt a house. Now we will look at the special vowel sound AW. With the special vowel sound AW, we will also put an X in between the two letters and arc it together. The special vowel sound of AW also says ah. Will you say that with me? Ah. Great work. Let's prove this word. I see the special vowel sound of AW. I will mark it with an X and I will arc it together. This word says lawn. My lawn needs to be mowed. Here is another word. Let's mark it. I will start at the beginning because I see the CR blend. Then I will mark my special vowel sound AW. The AW says ah, and my word says crawl. I saw an ant crawl across the ground. Because AU and AW have the same sound, you won't always know which one to write when you hear that sound. For example, both spellings can be used in the middle of words, as in haunt and lawn. In this case, you have to memorize which words use AU and AW. But when you hear ah at the end of a word, you can be sure that it's spelled AW because English words never end in AU. For example, listen to this word. Saw, saw. The sound of ah is at the end of the word, so you can be sure of its spelling. What is the first sound that you hear? S. How do you spell that? Letter S. Very good job. The last sound that you hear in saw is the special vowel sound ah. How is this spelled at the end of words? AW. And now we will mark it with an X and arc it together. I saw the awesome sunset. This is the same thing in the word paw. I can hear the ah at the end of this word, so I can be sure it's the AW. Paw. My puppy has a paw. Let's mark this one together. The first thing I notice is the STR blend. Then I have the special vowel sound of AW. I will arc that together. What is my word? Can you whisper it 2 times with me? Straw, straw. Very good job. I put a straw in my drink. Here is the word ball. I am going to show you how to add a suffix to a word that has a special vowel sound. Let's prove the word ball first. I will first find my special vowel sound and arc it together. Ball. Then I want to write the word balling. In this case, if I add a suffix to a word that has a special vowel sound, I will just add the suffix. So in this case, I'm adding the ing suffix. My new word is bawling. This type of bawling means when somebody is crying. Miss Ross was bawling during the movie because it was so sad. Let's look at another word. Let's prove it. We have a CR blend, a special vowel sound AW. My word is crawl. Now we are going to make this into the word crawling. I will rewrite crawl and just add the suffix ing. Now my word says crawling, and I proved the suffix by underlining the ing. Let's prove this word. I first see the AU special vowel sound, and I'm going to arc that together. My word is haunt. I am going to put a suffix on this. It's the ed suffix. Can you tell me what my new word is? Haunted. Very good job. Here is another word with a new suffix of ing. Can you tell me what this word says? Did you say haunting? Yes. Very good job. The ghost was haunting the haunted house. This is the name of a month of the year. It starts with AU. I can see that that is my special vowel sound, so I will mark it with an X and arc it together. I can also see that there is the vowel U and the blend ST. There are more than one working vowel, so I will split this into its syllables. My first syllable says ah, and my second syllable says gust, and my word is August. School starts again in August. Let's prove this word. I see my special vowel sound. Do you see it? Which one is it? AU. Yes. I will mark my special vowel sound. I see the next thing is a DR blend. Did you see that? And I see the vowel Y. This has more than one working vowel, so I will split it into its syllables. My first syllable says lawn, and my second syllable says dree, and my word is laundry. I have been doing a lot of laundry this week. You have done such a great job learning about special vowel sounds AU and AW. We are going to do some dictation next so that we can practice this skill even more. Will you make sure that you have something to write with and something to write on? We are ready for dictation. Here is our first word. Ready? Sauce, 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 sauce. The spaghetti sauce tasted very good. I'm going to write this one with you, and I'm going to give you a clue. We're using the special vowel sound of AU in the word sauce. We are also going to use the rainbow S at the end of the word sauce. Let's see if you can get it. Now I will prove my word. Starting from the left to the right, I will go under the word. I see my special vowel sound of AU. I will put an X in between it and arc it together. I also see vowel E. And I also see that C is followed by E, which makes the rainbow S. Is that what you got? Very good job. This is a really cool picture of a vault. Ready? Vault, 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 vault. The bank put the money in a vault and locked it away. This one has the special vowel sound of AU. Will you write vault? Let's mark this together. I see my special vowel sound of AU. I'm going to arc it together. The AU says ah, and my word is vault. Will you put your finger under the word vault? Let's read it 2 times together. Vault, vault. Let's practice another word. In this word, it's going to have the ah sound, but I want you to listen for where it is. Ready? Draw, 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 draw. I love to draw pictures of birds. Did you hear the ah sound? It came at the end. Remember, if the ah sound comes at the end and it's a special vowel sound, it will be the AW. Let's write draw. Let's mark our word. I see the blend DR and my special vowel sound AW. Did you mark yours the same way? Great work. My word is draw. Put your finger under this word and let's read it 2 times together. Draw, draw. Great job. Here is a picture of a lady. She is wearing something called a shawl. A shawl sometimes is worn as a stylish thing, or some people wear them to keep a little bit warm. Our word is shawl. Shawl, 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 shawl. I can hear the ah sound in the middle. The clue for you is that it is an AW in this word. Please write the word shawl. The woman was wearing a shawl because it felt cold. Let's prove this word. I have the digraph SH, special vowel sound AW, and I have learned that my L is not going to be a guardian because special vowel sounds are not long or short. They're special. Here is my word, shawl. Here is a picture of a ladybug. The ladybug crawls across the branch. Crawls. This one has a special vowel sound and the plural S. Let's see how we write this. Crawls, 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 crawls. Remember, when we add a suffix to a word that has a special vowel sound, we will just add the suffix. Very good job. Let's mark this word. I have the CR blend. I have the special vowel sound AW, and I have my suffix S. And my word is crawls. Put your finger under the word and let's read it 2 times together. Crawls, crawls. Great work. Now we are going to write a sentence to practice the skill of the AU and AW, special vowel sounds. Here is a picture of Paul, and Paul is yawning in class. Our sentence will say, Paul was yawning in class. Paul was yawning in class. Let's write that sentence. Paul was yawning in class. As you write your words, you can check them to see if they match mine. Sure. Okay, put your finger under Paul and let's read this together. Paul was yawning in class. Good work. Do you see the words that have the special vowel sounds in them? I see 2 words. How many do you see? I see the word Paul. What was the other word that you saw? Did you say yawning? Hearing that word makes me want to yawn. You guys are doing such a great job. Let's read some words together that contain the special vowel sounds AU and AW. At the top, it says name and sound. We will say the name and then the sound. Ready? Begin. A-U, aw. A-W, aw. Let's read the words going across. Ready? Hall, vault, draw, dawn, jaw. Sauce, fraud, laud, thaw, straw. Thawing, haunted, yawner, launched, crawling. Autograph, haughty, laundry, author, August. Let's read the sentences together. Saul was yawning in class. The autograph was a fraud. The straw poked Deshaun in the jaw. I want to see what is in the vault. You have done such a great job. I know that bottom sentence was a little tricky to see, but I bet you were able to do it with me. If you want to, you can pause the video and read this again to someone at your house. Our goal was to learn how to use the special vowel sounds of AU and AW to read and write words, and we did that. Just as a quick wrap up, will you repeat this with me? A-U, ah. A-U, ah. A-W, ah. A-W, ah. Great job. Remember, those are called special vowel sounds, and I will be back to teach you another set of special vowel sounds. See you later.